climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down. Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the Ukulele Fool, foolishly believing that ukulele players make the world a better place through spreading the ukulele love. This is a strumming version for this song. These are the chords that you need. That makes this just, if you're just beyond a beginner, and you can do that D minor, you can do this song. Hey, here are the baritone chords, and they are more challenging because that F chord, more challenging. This is more intermediate for baritone. The strumming pattern that we're going to use for this is a modified island strum. It is just slightly different than an island strum. It is missing one up strum. And it gives more of a rock and roll flavor. It's less syncopated, which I think is in keeping with this song. How do you do it? Well, here's a tip. With the island strum, down, down, up, down, up. Your hand is going up and down the whole time. It's just a matter of when you're touching the strings. That is not the case with the modified island strum. With the modified island strum, you play down, down, and then you keep your hand down there and wait, rest, until the up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. You can use your words to help you. You can use the word hold, just as a little reminder that you're going to hold your hand in place. So down, hold, up, down, up, down, hold, up, down, up, down, hold, up, down, up. That works really well. Let's do a practice session. There are 2 different chord progressions in this song. The first one we play 8 times. We'll only practice it 4 times. So let's do this together with the modified island strum. We'll do it very slowly. Just 4 times through this chord progression. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. F, F, up, down, up, C, C, up, down, up, D minor, up, down, up, C, C, up, down, up, second time, up, down, up, C, C, up, down, up, D minor, up, down, up, C, C, third time, and it's F, F, up, down, up, C, C, up, down, up, D minor, up, down, up, C, C, last time, F, F, up, down, up, C, C, up, down, up, D minor, up, down, up, C, C, up, down, up. In the second section of the song, we have to do a D minor to G chord progression, and that is the most challenging one because you've got 3 finger chords and you're moving between them. My first tip is to just practice it in isolation. You do that a few times every day, it will get a lot better. Don't try to put it in a song or with other chords, just going D minor and G. Don't even try it with a strumming pattern, just D minor and G. And at first you might have to be looking at your fingers, but then you want to get somewhere that you could maybe even close your eyes and feel how your fingers work in combination. Then I would try adding it with the strumming pattern, but I would do a little hack. I would eliminate this last up strum when you're doing that D minor, getting you to the G. In fact, I might even eliminate it on the G too, just because it sounds kind of cool. So you're going D minor down, up, down, G, up, down. So just leave off that last up strum, just put a rest in that place. It gives you a chance. Your fingers here aren't going to be resting, they're going to be moving and getting to the next chord. The second chord progression starts with an alteration of what we did in the first. So we're going to do that first chord progression, add that alteration, and then go into the new one. So here we go, nice and slowly. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. F, up, down, up, C, C, up, down, up, D minor, up, down, up, C, and F, up, down, up, C, C, up, down, up, D minor, and G, and C, and G, along. Pick up a copy of the chord chart if you want a paper copy of it. There's a link down below in the description and the comments. And thanks to my patrons, they keep this channel going and they voted for this in a poll. Your starting vocal pitch is an A. I took my love. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready to begin. Well, as a person that has definitely gotten older, this song really resonates with me. Does it resonate with you? You know, I read all my comments. I try to respond to all my comments. It may take me a while, but let me know. I think of like a landslide. My career as a percussionist came kind of to a crashing halt, and but the nice thing about it is you get bolder and you take up the ukulele, right? All right, let me know down below how this tutorial went for you. I'd like to hear about your ukulele journey. Take care, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.